We will hardcode this subtitle file with this video file using VLC. First, open up VLC Player. Go to Media, then Stream. Click on that, and select your video file. Select Use a subtitle file, and select your subtitles. Click on Stream. Click Next, and then Add. Click Browse, and set a name for the new video VLC will create, with the subtitles hard-coded into it. Click Next, Next and then Stream. Wait for the progress bar to finish. It will look like a playing video. Here it is, let's check it out. All done. Please subscribe.